Hi, I'm Vicky from Paul Gray Studio, and today I'm going to show you a shoulder mount along with my 3 very favourite conditioning steps for it. Follow me. So, for the first conditioning exercise, we're going to get down on the floor with one shoulder against the pole. If it's too hard and it's hurting your shoulder, make sure you use a yoga mat to soften it up a bit. Then for this exercise, what we're going to do, we're going to raise both legs up. Take your bum off the floor, bring it back down. Now engage your core, especially your sideways abs, and bring both of your legs straight up to the side and back up. And again, bum up, down, opposite side. Okay, do it a couple more times, then switch side, do same thing on the opposite side. Quick tip, if you're struggling at first, bend your leg up slightly and do same thing with your legs bent. So it should make it a bit easier for you. Do it as many times as you possibly can. I normally do 5 to 10 on both sides. For our second conditioning exercise, we're going to do a leg tuck. So, going to assume a position with your shoulder pressed against the pole, your hands in what's called a shoulder mount grip, where all your fingers, including your thumb, stay on the same side of the pole. And what we're going to do, we're going to tense our core, which are our abs and our quads. We're going to tense for the life of it, and we're going to tug both legs in. Nice and controlled landing. Important thing to remember, as with a shoulder mount, make sure your shoulders stay pressed against the pole and you're not coming away as you're lifting your legs up. Once again, kick one leg up, tuck it in, nice and controlled descent. You can also play around with it, mix it up a bit and do different variations of the same leg tuck. So we can do normal one, for example, bring your legs down, the sideway one, opposite side, down. So again, try it out, do as many times as you possibly can, then switch sides, do the same thing on the opposite side. For the step 3, we're going to do what I like to call forearm grip crunch. And we're going to grab the pole like so, with the top arm in either tree grip or cup grip. It's entirely up to you. Try both if you want to. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a step with the inside leg. Gonna make a little hop and bring both legs up, like so. And again, we're going to engage our sideways abs and lean sideways. Okay? So once again, step, hop, engage your abs, release, bring your legs down. Over time as you progress, try and deadlift it rather than jumping into it. It will make it harder. So from here, you just engage, lean your legs up, bring them down, and then over time, you can also do it continuously, as many times as you can. And as usual, switch sides, do the same thing on the opposite side. And for the final step, I'm going to demonstrate a regular shoulder mount. So now it should be easier to do it after all the preparation and conditioning that we've done. So try them all out, let me know whether they worked for you, and good luck with that.